with me to teach a special effects makeup class. I teach this class every 12 weeks when the girls are learning makeup applications. This is the setup we're using today, and this is my lovely model, Sarah. She's actually the instructor for this class. Here I'm teaching them how to block out eyebrows. The main focus for today's class is learning grayscale. I always feel if you know how to do grayscale, then you can pretty much do anything. Here I am teaching them the different products, liquid, creams, things like that they can use to successfully do this look. Here I am starting the airbrushing application. I show the girls how to use the airbrush machine and I demo it. Then I really love to get them to come up and do hands-on. I feel like the more hands-on you are, the better you learn. But not everybody's comfortable getting up in front of the class and doing something they just learned. But in this class, I had quite a few students come up and actually want to participate in this, which makes me super excited because I love to see people who've never done anything like this before do something and just the pure excitement in their faces. These ladies did such a great job doing this for the first time. Here I am now showing them how to highlight the areas of the face where we want more light. And then here I am doing just a little quick touch up on some spots that may have not been concealed all the way. Then I had this girl come up and do brows on Sarah, which were absolutely amazing. And here's just some quick little videos I took of them far away, practicing what they learned. And this is where I'm showing them how lighting works. Lighting is everything when it comes to makeup. You can see how drastically different lighting is. And here are your future hairstylists and makeup artists. Thanks for watching.